In this scenario, you're setting up a new computer and attaching its peripherals. First, we'll plug a power strip into the wall outlet. It's essential to always use a power strip with surge protection to power a computer. Never ever plug your computer directly into the wall outlet, because an electrical surge could instantly ruin your whole computer. Open the Outlets menu on the shelf. Drag the power strip here until you see a yellow outline, then release the mouse. Down here, you can see the strip's power connector. Drag it to an available place in the wall outlet. Now let's plug the computer into the power strip. Click Back to view the back of the computer. You can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out on the workspace. Open the Cables menu and select an AC power cable. Drag the female end of the cable to the power port on the computer, then drag the male end to an available space on the power strip. Next, let's add some peripherals to the system. Open the Input Devices menu, then drag the keyboard onto the workspace. With the keyboard selected, drag its USB connector to an available USB port on the back of the computer. We'll add the mouse in the same way. Open the Input Devices menu, then drag the mouse onto the workspace. With the mouse selected, drag its USB connector to an available USB port on the back of the computer. Now let's add the speakers. Open the Speakers menu, then drag the speakers to the workspace. Then, with the speakers selected, drag the green TRS connector to the green TRS port on the back of the computer. Next, let's connect the monitor. Open the Monitors menu and drag the monitor to the workspace. Use the back button to view the back of the monitor. Monitors need two cables to work, a power cable and a data cable. First, let's connect the power cable. Open the Cables menu and select an AC power cable. Drag the female end of the cable to the power port on the monitor, then drag the male end to an available space on the power strip. Now let's connect the monitor to the computer. Select the DVI cable from the shelf. Drag one end of the cable to the DVI port on the monitor, and the other end to the DVI port on the computer. Finally, we need to connect the computer to our network so it can access the internet. Select the Cat5e cable from the shelf. Drag one end of the cable to the RJ45 port on the computer and the other end to the RJ45 port on the wall plate. The computer is now set up and ready to use.